What if I told you that using your cell phone over long periods of time could actually cause cancer? Hi, I'm Keith. For those of you who are new here, I'm a 7-year cancer survivor. I've studied over 4,000 clinical papers on the root cause of all chronic disease, and I have personally eliminated my 5 chronic diseases. No medication. I'm convinced if you weren't born with it, you can probably reverse it. If you want to make some small health tweaks, quick follow, and I'll show you simple science-based strategies that can get you feeling much better. If you want to jump into the fast lane, I'll work with you one-on-one. Just DM me or get on my calendar and let's talk. Ready? Let's dive in. The FCC has set some interesting standards on cell phone radiation. There's a maximum power density, and there's also a minimum distance that you're supposed to hold that away from your skin. And it's about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Does anybody ever do that? And the FCC is quick to point out that if you do hold your cell phone away from your skin between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, you should have no problems because the government's always right. I think they're just covering their butt because I think there could be a problem. Here's how the biology of that works. The FCC and the cell phone companies might be correct when they say there's no direct link between cell phone radiation and cancer, but there is an indirect link. The radiation that comes out of a cell phone is not ionizing radiation. It cannot directly mutate DNA. However, it can change the molecular structure of other molecules. When the radiation that comes out of your phone knocks an electron off of molecules that are inside your cell, those molecules turn into something called reactive oxygen species. And those unstable molecules can cause DNA damage. So the effect is indirect, but there is an effect. Long-term cell phone usage can be problematic. So the best way to solve this issue when you're using your phone is to use a headset, earbuds, or speakerphone. The little bit bigger problem, especially if you're not carrying a pocketbook, is when your phone is in your pocket. That violates the minimum distance. If you like these videos, please like and share, and we'll see you again soon.